Hello Lemoikies, welcome back to my channel. I hope your day has been absolutely fabulous, that people are wanting to buy you free coffee, giving you free snacks, and are just not giving you a hard time. I hope your day was exactly like that. For today's look, I'm going to be using pink and blues as inspiration. Someone left a comment on my last Instagram post saying they would like to see some makeup inspired by bubblegum colors. And according to me, these are bubblegum colors. So, if you would like to see how I created this makeup look, you can just keep on watching. Starting off with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, just brushing the brow upwards and just filling in the gaps, starting off with the bottom of the brow and then just brushing the product upwards. The tail is the most important part because it is very sparse. And using my Cover FX concealer, I'm just carving out the brown, also just giving the eyeshadow a base to sit on so that the color can be slightly more pigmented. Using Cover FX's translucent powder, just setting it. And this is a blush duo from Nieuwoudt. This is the most bubblegummy pink I could find. So I'm just using the blush shade, applying it on the outside of the eye, and then blending it into the crease and as well as the inside of the eye. You're just basically going to be doing pink all over. I know this is blended out quite far, but you're going to have to blend it out almost all the way into the brow. Then using my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, I just added a hint of darker purple. Using the leftover concealer on my concealer brush, I'm just going to create a lighter area on the inside of the eye where I could press on a shimmer. That eyeshadow is from Nieuwoudt. Then just blending it in and merging the two shades together. Using my 210 brush from MAC and MAC's Black Track, I'm just going to create a line close to the lashes so that it's going to give the lashes a nice black finish against the eye. Using my Cover FX Drop Foundation, I did a really bad job at blending this out, but just giving the skin a nice cover, and then using my Cover FX concealer once again just to highlight the highest areas of the face and to cover those bags under my eyes, because we do not sleep enough. Yay! Then just using a flat brush, pat 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 pat, and buffing it into the skin. Using my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, I'm just bronzing up the face. I am making the bronzer slightly darker than I would when I leave the house to go like out for a normal day. This is just to warm it up some more and to give the face a nice contour. I don't usually use contour on myself, I just use a bronzer. Going around the perimeters of the face, so that would be the jawline, the cheekbones and the forehead. And then I'm going to use it over the areas like on my cheeks, forehead and nose just to brighten it up a bit. Using my Cover FX loose powder, I'm just going to do a little bit of baking and carving out the cheekbones. I think it just gives the face a really nice chiseled finish. I'm just going to leave the powder there until I finish the eyes, not picking up any more product, just using the brush as is and adding some pink underneath the eye. Using my MAC highlighter palette, I'm just going to be highlighting the highest points of my face. So that would be cheekbones, nose, Cupid's bow. Cupid's bow is on top of the lip, and then on my forehead as well, just above my brow bones. I really like glowy skin. And then going in with my Gosh Rebel mascara, just adding a nice coat of mascara before I move on to the lashes. I really like the brush on this mascara. It like digs into all the lashes, separates them and gives them length. Then I'm using a NYX blue liner. I was quite surprised at how well this lasts on the waterline. I'm used to only using them on skin, but they are really pretty. I am definitely use these more often. And moving on to my MAC liner, this one is called Soar. I did mix it with the other MAC liner, which is called Edge to Edge, to give it a slightly more pink look. Just lined the lips and drew a few lines on them to make them look slightly bigger. There goes the pink. And then I coated it with my Gosh gloss. This one has a little light inside, I think it's adorable. And this lip gloss color has a slightly gold shimmer to it. Whew, julle, ek praat so vinnig. Then I cut up a bunch of spiky Chinatown lashes and just added them onto my own lashes just to give it a nice like fluffy flared look. It makes it look almost spiky. I love this look. that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed it, and please leave some color recommendations or a color you would like to see me use. So if there's a color you don't know how to apply, like maybe like a green or a blue, please let me know what color combo you would like, and I can always do it in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do remember to give this video a like and subscribe. That would be amazing. And then I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and if no one has bought you coffee yet, I really hope someone does. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.